Did you know that a tiny, aromatic spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Welcome to Noourish Wellspring, your go-to channel for all things health and nutrition. Here, we explore the science, stories, and secrets behind living a healthier, more nourished life. Today, we're diving into the world of cloves, a spice that's been used for centuries in cooking, medicine, and even spiritual practices. In this episode, we'll uncover the incredible health benefits of cloves, how to use them in your daily life, and why this humble spice deserves a spot in your wellness routine. So, let's get started.
Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to Indonesia. These little buds have a rich history. They were once so valuable that they were traded like gold. For thousands of years, cloves have been used not just in cooking, but also in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. When it comes to flavor, cloves are warm, sweet, and slightly bitter. They're a staple in many cuisines around the world. Think of the aromatic biryanis of South Asia, the spiced cookies of Europe, or the mulled wines of the holiday season. But beyond their culinary uses, cloves are packed with nutrients and compounds that make them a true superfood. Now, let's dive into the many ways cloves can benefit your health. First, cloves boost immunity. They're rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and strengthen your immune system. A simple clove-infused tea during cold season can work wonders. Second, cloves improve digestion. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. Try adding a pinch of clove powder to your meals for a digestive boost. Third, cloves are great for dental health. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has natural antiseptic properties. That's why clove oil is often used to relieve toothaches and gum infections. It's a natural remedy that's been trusted for generations. Fourth, cloves have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. They can help reduce inflammation and pain, making them beneficial for conditions like arthritis or sore muscles. Fifth, cloves may help regulate blood sugar. Some studies suggest that cloves can improve insulin sensitivity, making them a helpful spice for managing diabetes. Sixth, cloves support respiratory health. They can soothe coughs, clear congestion, and even act as a natural expectorant. A warm cup of clove tea can be incredibly comforting when you're feeling under the weather. And finally, cloves are great for your skin. Their antimicrobial properties can help fight acne and improve skin texture. Clove oil is often used in skincare routines for its cleansing and rejuvenating effects.
Stick around on Noourish Wellspring, your partner in achieving a healthy lifestyle.
Now that we know how beneficial cloves are, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily life. In cooking, cloves are incredibly versatile. You can add whole cloves to rice dishes, soups, or stews for a warm, aromatic flavor. Ground cloves work well in baked goods like gingerbread or pumpkin pie. If you're looking for a simple remedy, try making clove tea. Just steep 2 to 3 cloves in hot water for 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, and enjoy. It's a soothing drink that's perfect for cold evenings or when you're feeling under the weather. Clove oil is another great option. You can dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and use it for massages, dental pain, or even as a natural insect repellent. And if you're feeling creative, you can make DIY recipes like a clove-based face mask or a homemade clove mouthwash. These are simple, natural ways to harness the power of cloves for your health and beauty routine.
While cloves are incredibly beneficial, it's important to use them in moderation. Consuming too many cloves can lead to side effects like digestive upset or allergic reactions. If you're using clove oil, always dilute it before applying it to your skin or gums, as it can be very potent. Undiluted clove oil may cause irritation or sensitivity. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before using cloves medicinally. Conclusion and call to action. From boosting immunity to improving digestion and even enhancing your skin, cloves are a versatile spice with countless benefits. Whether you use them in your cooking, as a remedy, or in your skincare routine, this tiny spice can make a big difference in your health. Have you tried using cloves for their health benefits? We'd love to hear your experiences. Share your stories with us on social media or leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Noourish Wellspring for more tips on health and nutrition. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished, and keep exploring the wonders of natural wellness. Thank you for listening.